All right, I'm going to show you the quickest way to train a new power cord, a new extension cord, or really any kind of cord or cable, right? So here we have a bucket of pretty hot water, okay? Probably 120 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe a little bit above that. And this is a brand new cord that came with this really nice RIDGID NXT Shop Vac. By the way, if you're in the market for a new shop vac, this is a phenomenal shop vac, especially for auto detailing. Okay, RIDGID NXT. Link in the description if you want to buy that. This is a RIDGID hose. Doesn't come with the shop vac. This hose is a 10-foot hose with an auto detail kit that comes with it, but it's fantastic. Anyway, cord training. So we get the really hot water. We put the entire cord into the water like that, and that's going to make the rubber and the cabling and the copper core malleable, pliable. And after we let it sit in there for about 5 minutes, then we can retrain the cord in exactly the way we want it to be trained, okay? So that's really the fastest way to do it. Can you use a blow dryer? Can you use a heat gun? Yes, that takes a lot longer. It's not even worth your time. Just stick it in a bucket of hot water for 5 minutes and then pull it out, dry it off with a paper towel and retrain it the way you want it to be trained.